Today I'm going to show you how to draw a quick caricature drawing. This is our model here for the day, so we're going to go ahead and get started. All right, so I think the first thing I'm going to do here is I'm going to start with her forehead line. So for her forehead, I see kind of like a little bit of a bulbiness, like if you look at it right here on this in that eye. So this is what I'm going to do here. I'm going to draw a line that does like this, but I want it to slowly come in like that. Then I'm gonna go to a cheek line and I'm gonna go down like this, because she has like a moony kind of a face right here. And then I'm gonna go here to this chin line. Okay, and then I'm gonna come around here to the back of her jawline like that. And then I'll add a little neck shape here. Okay. Now what I'm gonna do from that line, I'm going to start drawing her inner line. So this inner line of her hair right here. So I'm going to do something where it kind of wraps around here and it goes all down into that line down there. It goes almost down into her eye line. And I'm going to go around here. I'm going to do some little hairs and see if I can get that shape. Oh, that's perfect. All right. So I'm gonna stop right there so you can see you can do that. Go back and you can see an instant replay, okay? All right, now we're gonna go to the outside line here of her hair. So we're just gonna kind of wrap this around, and then it's gonna kind of do like this, and then it's gonna go in and it's gonna stop right around her chin, okay? And then we're gonna go here. We're gonna come around the bottom. I think I kind of started with to one side of the paper a little bit, so we'll just cut it off right there. It's no big deal. And then we'll just do like this, and then we'll come around here, and it's like a bun kind of a do. And then back here you can see she got some fullness in the back there. So what I'm gonna do here, I'm just gonna draw I'm gonna put that fullness in the back, like back there, like that. Okay. All right. So our hair is kind of doing this. Okay, so we got the head shape. Put some shoulders on her. All right, a little shirt or something here. Okay, now let's go ahead and do her facial features. Okay, so here you can see where I left that thing for her eyes. So for this, her eyes is going to come right, her brow is going to come right off of that shape. Okay, and then it's going to go over here and it's going to go like something like this. Okay. Those are her eyebrows. Now I'm gonna go to her nose shape here. Now I know her nose kind of blends into everything, but I can see it really well, so just follow me. Okay. I'm gonna do a shape like this, but I'm gonna have it where at the end it kind of rounds off here and comes around on a small little ball, but then it goes down, and then it has her nose shape like here somewhere. Okay. And then she has like a little round, little buttony nose like that. Okay. I might just, let me put a little bit of nostril on the other side there. Okay. Now, I'm gonna go ahead and put her eyes in. She has classic upturned eyes, very bulby though. So what I'm gonna do here is I'm gonna make it really bulby. Okay, here. I'm gonna drop down here. I want her eyes to be real big, okay? So I'm gonna go big and bulby here, and then I'm gonna even come right here, and then I'm gonna go like this and make it real big and bulby, okay? So that when I put these eyeballs in there, right? You can see she comes out pretty cool. You know? All right, now let's put some eyelashes on that top line. Okay, and some on this bottom line here. I'm gonna darken up this line on the bottom too. This way it look like that makeup is on there, like in the picture. Oh yeah, okay. And then we're gonna go to her mouth shape, okay? So what we wanna do here, we don't want her mouth to be really big. We want it to kind of fit right in between the cheeks chin shape, okay? So what we want to do here is we want to bring a line, we want to bring this line like quick, like we want to go a little wrap line. Then we want to put the middle, and then I'm going to put this one right here. And then I'm just going to kind of just bend it over like that, right? Then I'm going to come over here and I'm going to drop down real quick, one, right? Then I'm going to go around the bottom lip, and I'm going to wrap back into the lip here. And then I want that roundness of that bottom lip here. I want a little top lip, not too much bigness. And then I'm just going to drop this little line in here. Boom. Okay. And we got a pretty good little drawing right there. Okay. All right. So let me see here. We got our cheekbone right about here somewhere. So I can just do like that. All right. And let's add some shadows to this drawing. Where the heck is the gray marker that I just had? It does not matter. I just had a gray marker. I don't know what I did with it. Over here. Ah, here it is. Okay, so now we're going to add our grays in with our gray Crayola. So I'm going to do a little bit of eyeshadow here over the top of the eye. Right, and you can see how she just added some shadows there to keep that, to accentuate the bulbs around her eyes. You know what I'm saying? Let's add some lipstick here. 3 little drops. I like to just do a 3-dot technique. It's a real quick way to put lipstick. Add the underside of the nose. Here I might just add a little bit of a shape here and some on the cheekbone. Okay. And then we'll go ahead and we'll just kind of shadow in the hair a bit, okay? So, oh wait, one more thing. The eyes here. Okay, so let's go ahead and shadow in our hair. So we're just going to use a black marker here. So I'll just do something like this. Again, I want to give an impression of what the hair is doing, right? So we'll do something like this. Come around over here. Just to do some quick scribbling, right? And we got this hair in the back. Remember, we had a little bit of fullness back there, right? And then we just come over here and we hit it this way, right? If you want to add some more highlights or whatever in the hair, you can. Just use your little Sharpie or something. You know, you can just bring it in like that. Okay. All right, so last thing I'm going to do here is I'm going to just round these teeth off in the front. I'm a stickler for perfection. Okay, and we got a picture. So that is how you draw a caricature of a lady with a moon. This is a moon. I call this the moony face. See how moony it looks, and how we built. Look how we built the bulbiness around the eye. You see that right there? You have to get those little details. That's what makes them look like them. Okay. All right. So just remember, this is kind of moony, right? Okay. So thank you so much for watching. I hope that you enjoyed the video tutorial. If you have any questions, comments, anything like that, just leave it in the comment section below. Also, don't forget to attend my live streams. I have 2 live streams a week on Tuesdays and Saturdays. So all that information is going to be in the description box below the video. Okay, but just keep your notifications button on, then you'll know when I go live. Okay. All right. So have a great day. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe, like, and share.